Welcome back to the shadow method. Today, we are going to practice English together for just 5 minutes. No complicated grammar, no difficult vocabulary, and no pressure. Just listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and don't worry about making mistakes. The goal is simple. Listen, repeat, and become more comfortable speaking English. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Your 5-minute English shadowing practice starts now. I am ready. I am ready. Let's begin. Let's begin. I feel good today. I feel good today. I have time now. I have time now. I am learning English. I am learning English. I want to speak better. I want to speak better. I can do this. I can do this. I will keep practicing. I will keep practicing. I don't need to be perfect. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going. I just need to keep going. I speak slowly. And I speak clearly. I listen carefully. And I repeat the words. Sometimes I make mistakes. And that's okay. Every mistake teaches me something. Every day, I learn something new. I am becoming more confident. Little by little. I don't have to rush. I can take my time. I can speak English. One sentence at a time. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am here to improve. I will practice today. And I will practice again tomorrow. The more I speak, the easier it becomes. I am making progress. Even when I don't notice it. I trust the process. And I keep moving forward. I am learning. I am speaking. And I am improving. Level 2. Easy natural English. I usually feel a little nervous when I speak English, but I don't let that stop me. I know I will make mistakes, and that's completely normal. When I don't know a word, I try to explain it in a simple way. I don't need perfect English. I just need to communicate clearly. Sometimes I understand everything, and sometimes I need to listen again. That's okay. Learning takes time. I try to practice a little every day because small steps can make a big difference. When I hear a useful sentence, I repeat it several times. I listen to the pronunciation, and then I copy the rhythm. At first, it feels difficult, but it becomes easier with practice. I don't try to translate every word. I try to understand the whole idea. When I hear natural English, I pay attention to how the words connect. I want my English to sound natural, not perfect. If I forget a word, I stay calm and continue speaking. The most important thing is to keep the conversation going. Sometimes I speak slowly, but that's better than staying silent. I am becoming more comfortable every time I practice. I know I won't improve overnight, but I can improve every day. So I keep listening, I keep repeating, and I keep speaking. Little by little, English is becoming easier for me. Level 3, natural speaking. Sometimes I still feel nervous when I speak English, especially when I have to speak with someone new. But I've realized that confidence doesn't come first. It comes from practicing again and again. I don't wait until I feel ready. I simply start speaking. If I make a mistake, I don't stop the conversation. I take a breath, find another way to say it, and keep going. The more I speak, the less I think about every single word. English slowly becomes something I use instead of something I only study. I don't need to sound like a native speaker. I just want to express myself clearly and naturally. Some days are easier than others, And that's completely fine. What matters is that I keep showing up, even when I don't feel confident. Every short conversation, every repeated sentence, and every small improvement is helping me move forward. So today, I will speak without overthinking. I will listen without fear. And I will keep practicing. I may not be fluent yet, but I am getting closer every day. And if I continue like this, one day, speaking English will feel completely natural. I can speak English with confidence. I can speak English with confidence. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep practicing. I can make mistakes and still keep speaking. Every day, my English becomes a little easier. I listen, I repeat, I speak, and I improve. I trust myself. And I keep moving forward. I am becoming a confident English speaker, one sentence at a time. And that's the end of today's 5-minute shadowing practice. Take a deep breath and notice how much English you just spoke. You don't need to improve everything in one day. Just keep practicing, a few minutes at a time. Come back tomorrow and let's practice again. Keep listening, keep speaking, and most importantly, don't give up. I'll see you in the next practice. Keep going.